Marco with the Sanchez team at eXp Realty. Today we're going to talk about 3 things you should check before submitting an offer. The first thing to look at on every home is to make sure that they accept your kind of loan. Some homes won't qualify depending on location, so making sure that you check this before you consider a home is going to save you a lot of time. The next thing you want to check on every single listing are the property taxes. Every home has different taxes depending on size, market value, and location. Even if there's 2 houses right next to each other, one might be worth a lot more than the other. Talk to your lender before you make an offer. The last thing you want to check before submitting an offer is the home's current days on the market. If the home is fresh on the market, be prepared to negotiate an offer maybe just a little bit more than asking. If the home has been sitting on the market for over 30 days, you might have a good chance to negotiate price and or closing costs. These are just 3 things you should look out for before you submit an offer. It's also important that you work with a professional that knows what they're doing. If you have any questions about buying or selling, give me a call or send me a text. We'll get you started.